Okay, it's another day of going meatless. Meatless. Spaghetti squash. This is how we're gonna do it. So I saw a young lady cut her spaghetti squash in half this way. Not hot dog, hamburger. That way. Go ahead and put a little bit of oil on the inside. Get you started with a little bit of oil. Just give it just a tiny amount of salt. This will continue to pull that water out of the squash. Okay. And lay them guts down. Okay. We're gonna put this in the oven for, I don't know, 20, 25, I don't know how long, but until it's nice and tender, but not soggy. All right, not mushy. And this is what you got. Let's take a look. Yeah. I'm gonna let it cool down a little bit more, and then I'll remove the seeds. Isn't food amazing?